Okay, so I know this is gonna sound like, oh yeah, sure it happened type of thing, because of course I wasn't recording, but I was just sitting here making a reel, and I got catcalled twice in like a minute. Because as you can see, the traffic here is pretty bad, and there was a line going that way too. And I heard, sorry, I can't talk. One girl rolled down her window and yelled, I think she said, "You need a backpack." All I heard was the word backpack for sure. And when I looked up, she was waving at me. And then literally 20 seconds later, a girl in a couple cars back rolled her window down and said, "Rev that shit." So I turned my bike back on and revved it, and they both went, "Damn." And of course, like I said, I wasn't recording, which really pisses me off because most of the time something cool happens, I'm not recording. But like, right hand on the Bible, swear to God, like that happened. I'm not making that up at all. There's one thing I've always wanted to stick to when it came to YouTube, and that's like no clickbait, no lying or anything like that, no faking anything. Thank you. But yeah, like I never want to fake anything on this channel, no clickbait or anything like that, so I promise that happened. I wish I would have been recording, but I was busy making a reel. But anyways, I am back, obviously. I was gonna make a bunch of reels today. I was gonna go drive somewhere, pull over and make a couple, but I don't know how much time I have, because I'm probably gonna get rained on, and I'm wearing a white t-shirt, so not a good combo. But I'm still gonna try to get a ride in to make a video. I'll probably put it up tomorrow. But yeah, I am back from this. It was ass, to put it mildly. I hated it. I'm very happy to be back. Damn, I'm doing a real bad job at talking today. But yeah, I'm happy to be back. That was a huge waste of time overall. I got some good out of it because I talked to certain people about things I'm trying to get done in life, so like that insight helped. But overall, in terms of being there, it was useless. I really hope you guys can hear me, by the way. I'm gonna be pretty pissed off if not, but the mic should be fine. I just haven't done this for 3 weeks. Did not have a good time mentally, that's for sure. I made a couple reels that will probably never be posted. If they do get posted, then that's a problem. But yeah, I didn't have the best time. But I'm doing this again, so should help temporarily. That's very loud. I'm also losing a lot of... Go! Oh my god, dude. You waiting for a different shade of green? Holy fuck. Sorry. Not supposed to swear, but I'm going around this guy. Pay attention. Anyways, I'm losing a lot of motivation to even keep doing this, just because like I have, last I checked, I have 880 subscribers, which is awesome. Like that's great. I've never expected to have that many. So it's awesome to see that. But my last two videos, the one had like 18 views, I think, after a week being up, and the other one had like 22 or something, like 24. So like it's really frustrating to see you have that many subs, but like your video doesn't even break 30, and then other videos will break like 100. Some break like more than that, like the 6 foot. Oh shit! Thank God I bled the brakes. That would have been real bad. Puckered up there for a second. Like the 650 versus the R6 on the runway video, last I checked, I had like 960 views, which was awesome. That's like easily one of my most viewed. So you have videos like that do super well, and then like the one called Motorcycle Therapy had like 130, I think, last I checked, which is good, like really good. I was happy about that. But then the next two did like pretty bad in comparison. So it's very frustrating because I have no clue why it does that. Like, I don't know if maybe the videos are just boring and that's why, so they're not doing well, or like if YouTube's kind of messing with me, because there's also like my shorts typically get like a little over 1,000. They get between like 1,000 to 5,000 views, the shorts. It depends on like how many people comment, because like the one about the truck and the small PP, of course they all got butthurt, which means you know it's true. Like that one did pretty well, and then like a day or two later I'll have a short get like 6 views. So I have no clue what that's about. Like, and it's horrible for motivation, because you can see your channel doing well and growing, so you want to keep going, and then all of a sudden just like stops. And it happens a lot too. I've noticed there'll be times where like I'll get 20 subs in a week, and then I can go 3 or 4 weeks and maybe get 1. So like it constantly going like this is very, I guess, frustrating, good word. But like it just kills your motivation. The lack of consistency is like, because I try to be consistent, right? But YouTube isn't. So it's frustrating. I keep saying frustrating in this video. I'm just gonna call this one frustrating. Not actually, but if I would have had those 2 girls yelling at me from their window on video, it would have been about that. Like the title thumbnail probably would have been about that. But I didn't. Oh, I'm gonna get poured on, dude. I should probably just turn around now. But that would be the smart thing to do. I am not smart. So, riding into the dark. Yep, I'm getting hit with raindrops now. Well, that sucks. I wanted to make like a full-length video today. Well, I mean, I probably might be able to make a full length still, but I wanted to like do a normal full recording. But I'm not gonna push my luck and get absolutely soaked. So I'm gonna turn around. I'll try to keep riding, maybe just closer to my house, just in case. Oh my God! No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Hey, look! He drives a big truck. You know what that means. I just realized I should probably explain, just in case somebody's unfamiliar with it. When that girl said about the backpack that I was talking about earlier in the video, a backpack is someone that rides on the back of your bike, because they hold on to your back like that. So it's like a backpack. You didn't know what that meant, but hold on. I'm gonna have no skin if I go down. That would suck. wonder, no. I wonder like how big of a YouTuber you'd have to be for that, for a motorcycle shop to be like, yeah, sure, you can take one of our bikes out for a ride for a video. Because if they were smart, that's giving them free advertising. If you say like, oh look, this shop let me use their bike, and people can see how the bike is while you're riding it. So if they want it, they can come buy it from that shop. There's my... I broke my balls. Oh, man. But yeah. Oh, fuck. What I was saying is, that's like free advertising for them, for the shop and the bike. Because even if someone doesn't want that specific bike, they might still look at the shop. There it is. The gas light's on, but my bike's doing that thing again where I can't open the gas cap. That's unfortunate. But yeah, I'm definitely not a big enough YouTuber to have the shop do anything like that, unfortunately. But I think his name's Chase on Two Wheels, right? The guy that does a whole bunch of different motorcycle reviews. I'm pretty sure he just like borrows it from a shop. I'd like to do something like that, but I want to keep riding just because I'm enjoying it, and like temperature wise it's a nice day out, but I also don't want to get caught in the rain and get rained on really hard and then be screwed. Be like far from my place in a white t-shirt getting rained on. Doesn't sound very fun. So like kind of torn on what to do. I'm gonna go attempt to get gas for sure right now, and then I guess go from there. And I'm bending the key even more. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.